This week, I'm giving you 5 real ways to make money using Claude AI. Now, I know you've watched several videos about how to make money using AI, how to make money using this, how to make money using that. The real thing no one has told you is about you. Oftentimes, when you watch videos like this, it is easy to continue to watch video upon video without following through with the steps. And when that happens, it's not possible. It's going to be very impossible for you to enjoy the benefit from the steps that all these videos have given you to try. Now, I want you to know that for most people, especially me, when we bring videos to you like this, it is because we have tried it and we have tested it. Therefore, if you try it, you test it, and you're consistent with it, it's definitely going to yield results for you. Hi, my name is Toby and welcome to She Builds Empire. Over here is a community of women. We're over here building empires, learning, growing, and thriving together. If that woman is you, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. Go into the description box and join the Empire Academy on School. It's free to join. And in July, we'll be starting a free 30-day AI challenge. You're not going to want to miss it. Now, by the end of this video, you will have 5 things you can actually open your laptop and do today. Okay, today. And I encourage you to do it today. Now, over a year ago, I was the same woman as you, watching from the other side of the screen. And I was watching those videos. I had the ideas. I had a notebook full of all of the steps and all of that. But what I did not have was the habit of finishing what I started. And I know many people are in this same situation too. You start something, it's not yielding anything after 30 days, you move on. But I realized that consistency and staying with it, even when it's not producing, is what eventually makes it produce. Now, the moment that changed everything for me was not another new tool. It was just one afternoon. I think it was a Tuesday afternoon when I finally just opened my laptop and I did the first step, second step, third step, and I did all of the steps that one of those videos had asked me to do without watching a new video. And that was what changed everything for me. And that's why today I want to show you 5 real ways to put Claude to work this week. All right. Now, way number 1, turn what you already know into a paid service. Now, this is the easiest and most important part, but a lot of people sleep on it because they feel like, okay, I know it. That means it comes easy to everybody. That very thing that comes easy to you may be hard for a lot of people. And here's what a lot of people don't know. You don't need a new skill to make money. You need to package the one you already have. I make money online every day, and the only way I make money is using the skill I already have. Now, I want you to go ahead and open Claude and type this prompt. Help me turn my experience in. Now, type your job, your hobby, your life, your skill into a paid service I could offer this weekend. Go ahead and type it into Claude today. Now, Claude will help you write a very clear offer. Name a price for you, and even draft a message for you to send to people. Okay. Now, a friend of mine used to organize closets for fun, and when she typed the exact same prompt, by Sunday, I think she typed it in on Monday. By Sunday, she already got a paid offer. Now, I want you to know that she had been doing this free of charge for a lot of people, and she thought that because it came easy to people, it was going to come easy to her. Because it came easy to her, it was going to come easy to a lot of people, but that was not the case. I want you to know that you already have what it takes. You're just doubting it. That's the only problem. Number 2, write and sell a simple digital product. Now, creating digital products is now easier than before. The thing that has surprised me is how fast this moves when you stop overthinking it. A lot of people are overthinking it, and that's why you're not creating it. Now, you want to go into Claude and say, help me create a simple digital guide or checklist on any topic you know that I can sell for $10 or $20. You go ahead and do this, and Claude helps you outline it, write it, format it. You're not writing a book. It's just a simple digital 1-page helpful tool that people definitely want. Now, you may be wondering if people do want it. I can assure you that people want it. Think of things like a recipe card, anything. Now, nobody needs an entire cookbook, right? But they need just that one recipe that would change how they cook. All right, so go ahead and do this. I encourage you to please do it. Okay. Now, way number 3, find quick freelance work that matches your skill. Now, let me be honest with you over here. Okay, freelance sites can feel very overwhelming. I know, because I have used freelance sites myself. Okay, because you don't know what to search for, you don't know which one to apply for. Now, tell Claude this: here are my skills. List 3 things you're good at. Okay, tell Claude 3 things you're good at. What freelance gigs could I realistically apply for this weekend? You go ahead and do that, and Claude will hand you specific job titles and even help you write your message, write your cover letter, organize your resume, and that may get you the job that you're actually looking for. Claude drafts all of this in minutes, in as little as minutes. Okay. Now, the way number 4, clean up and sell what you already own. Now, this one is not glamorous, but it works. So sit with me here. Now, you're going to ask Claude, help me write 5 compelling listing description for items I want to sell online this weekend. Now, go to place like Facebook Marketplace. Go to place like Craigslist, Etsy. All right. List the items that you are no longer using. All right. And sell them. Okay. Now, I want you to stay with me, because number 5 is the one most people skip, and it's the reason the first 4 don't work. Okay, real quick, because I keep getting asked this in the comments. A lot of you have been typing these prompts straight for my videos, and honestly, they work. But the ones I give you in a 10 minutes video are just the starting point. And so I sat down and I built something for you. It's called the 50 weekend money prompts. In this file, you have 50 prompts that will touch on everything, already written, wonderfully engineered prompts for Claude that is split into finding your skills, making money this weekend, and creating your first digital product. So each of these prompts tell Claude exactly what kind of expert to act as. Okay, these prompts are crafted for you, and by the time you use each one of this prompt, you would have been able to come up with your skills. You would have been able to come up with a digital product and how to make money this weekend. I'm going to be linking the prompts in the comment section and in the description. Just grab it for just $10. Okay, it's linked right there, and you're going to love it. All right. Now, way number 5, build a simple plan and actually follow it. This is the most important one, and this is the one nobody follows. Here's the truth. Claude can write you the offer, a listing, a pitch, a guide, anything. But Claude cannot open the tab for you and hit send. Claude will not go and do all of these things for you. Claude will not go and tell people what you're offering for you. So, ask Claude, build me a 2-day action plan based on the 4 ideas, based on the ideas you've given me, with specific times I will do each step. Now, what sets the people who succeed apart from those who don't are the people who make promises to themselves and follow it. So you're asking Claude to give you a simple action plan, and you're following it to the T. Put it on your calendar and do exactly what Claude has asked you to do in each step. So here's what I want you to do over the course of this week into the weekend. Pick just one of these 5 ways, hunker down on it, and go ahead and do it. Okay? And then go step by step by step. Pick one of it and do it. And if you do not make money at the end of the day, if you follow through with this, if you don't make at least $5, now come back and tell me. Now, like I said before, if you want prompts that can help you supercharge this entire thing, go into the description and purchase 50 prompts that will guide you, and those prompts are just $10. So just grab it for yourself and go ahead and just copy it and use it. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day. My name is Dobridge.